What's up, guys? Pack your bags. On this episode of Cooking with Flava with Ava, we're headed to Punta Cana. Join me in the beautiful Dominican Republic as I show you one of my favorite resorts and we do some yummy cooking on the beach. Vámonos! Welcome back to Cooking with Flava with Ava. I'm here in the Dominican Republic at the Majestic Elegance with Chef Marcos.
Hello.
We're going to be making a mango gazpacho and a delicious pescado, fish. Now this is next level. We are cooking in the sand, y'all. They dug this cute grill into the beach and we're going to be using banana tree leaves as the base. Look at the smoke! Look at the smoke! And now we're gonna cook our red snapper. Look at this fish. Chef Marcos filleted the red snapper. It's so beautiful. And marinated it in lime, garlic, and olive oil. Yum! And we're adding some caramelized onions and peppers. I'm drooling. Meet us. Meet us! Look at it. Oh my gravy. And listen to the sizzle. Oh yeah. Now for a little architecture. We're going to use the stems to create a little bit of a barrier on top. Then add some more of those banana leaves until our red snapper is completely covered. And you can leave the tail out, create a little airflow. Because we're about to bury it alive. Well, not alive, but you know, like alive-ish, not really. And put your back into it. Heave ho! Now we're gonna let this cook for 20 minutes. 20 minutos. Let's move on to making the mango gazpacho, which is a cold soup. Water, mangoes, sherry vinegar, olive oil, pepper, and a little sea salt. Kidding. We're gonna top our gazpacho with some tuna tartare.
Tuna con soya. 2 hours.
You heard him, 2 hours, and soy sauce, lime zest, and water. Ba-bam! Look at it. We're gonna top it with a little avocado cream. Yum. A little garnish of coals, a little pop of color, vegetation. And last but not least, I introduce to you not just caviar, but caviar made out of olive oil. Look! Next level. So creative. Finishing touches. And perfecto. Now we can't forget about our fish. Who are those people who dig in the sand with the old dinosaurs? Artifacts. Historians, archaeologists, archaeologists. The reveal. Oh, yummy. Look at that. Miras. Oh, look at it sizzling. And it's so moist. So excited. Now it's time for this fish to take its rightful place as king. As the tastiest fish on the beach. Look at the technique. Yes, get the perfect slice. Look at that. It kind of looks like a fish within the fish. Of course, you have to have some plantains and some more of those grilled onions and peppers. And the sauce, it's so simple. Just caramelized onions, peppers, and coconut milk. We finished! It's time to taste with the man who made this all possible, Orlando!
Oh my God, that's so good. I never tried something like that before.
It's smoky from cooking it in the sand. You can taste the peppers. It's tender. Oh, God!
Good.
Now let's try the mango gazpacho with tuna tartare. Wow. It's not too sweet either. Where's Chef Marcos?
great job.
Get in here!
Yeah.
Round of applause! Alright, I'd say it's time I show you guys around. The Majestic Elegance is actually a part of a sister trio of resorts. There's the Majestic Mirage on the right and the Majestic Colonial on the left. The Majestic has so many places to explore, like these colorful walls with lots of shopping and a casino if you're into losing money. And they also have a really cool sports bar. Hut hut. The sports bar is open until 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and they have really yummy snacks. I'd say that's a go! Relax with the drink and stare off into the horizon, or really relax and head to the spa. Follow the feng shui path down to this beautiful monk head into the lovely lobby of the Majestic Elegance Spa. They have all types of sauna and infrared sweat machines. And look at the pools. It's like Poseidon's garden in here. Feel the peace. Once you're done enjoying the pools and saunas, head on upstairs for a mummification. Treatment. I got a chocolate Himalayan salt body scrub. It was magnificent, 10 out of 10. And a facial. Back to the beach. Play a little beach volleyball or lounge with a little drinky drink under the Elegance Club cabanas. Shout out to Mom's outfit, okay? Have a passion fruit margarita. So delicious. Shout out to my Dominican Madre, Rosario, for making it. Or fly into the sky with some parasailing if heights don't cripple you with fear. Speaking of Elegance Club, if you upgrade, you get these private lounges with beautiful views and lots of snacks. Oh, it's so delicious. Look at all of these mini desserts. And lots of sushi. They even have a cookie station, like it's a little excessive. Carbs, and some fresh fruit and fruit juices. Another benefit of the Elegance Club, you also get a butler who does sweet things like a bubble bath with flowers. Get special reservations at the Italian or French restaurant on the resort. And meet Juan, my favorite waiter. Have a romantic dinner in the gazebo under the moonlight and stars. And don't forget about the entertainment. They have a really good circus show, Michael Jackson show, and a Dominican show. They have a club open till 3 a.m. and they have live music every night. Beach parties, it can get crazy. Your parents can casually just bachata the night away. And they have entertainment staff that gets you up and moving. Hey, Macarena. Miss Ma'ams with the Hobby Lobby bag and the leaf boa and the coffee mug. Live your best life. All of this was brought to you by the Majestic Elegance in Punta Cana.
Majestic Punta Cana.
And Orlando. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And turn on those notifications to get more flavorful recipes. See you next time.